Our kidneys, those incredible filtering machines, play a vital role in keeping our bodies in balance. But did you know that what we drink can either support or strain these hard workers? You're about to uncover 7 essential hydration tips that will keep your kidneys functioning smoothly and efficiently. These tips aren't just about quenching thirst, they're about nourishing your kidneys and ensuring they continue to do their life-sustaining job for years to come. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or simply someone looking to learn more about kidney care, this video is your guide to understanding how hydration directly impacts kidney health. So grab a glass of water, settle in and get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of kidney care. Number 1. Drink enough water daily. The cornerstone of kidney health is hydration. Number 2. Start your day with a glass of water. Kickstart your day with a glass of water first thing in the morning. This habit jumpstarts your hydration, jumpstarts your metabolism and supports your kidneys right after hours of overnight fasting. Your body needs this extra hydration to help your kidneys begin their filtration process efficiently. Number 3. Monitor your urine color. Your urine color can provide valuable insights into your hydration status. Aim for a pale yellow hue. This indicates that you're well hydrated. If your urine is dark yellow or amber colored, it may be a sign that you need to drink more water. Number 4. Eat water-rich foods. Many foods have high water content like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, celery, and strawberries. Not only do these foods help you stay hydrated, but they also provide essential nutrients that support kidney health. By incorporating these into your diet, you're giving your kidneys an extra boost. Number 5. Limit sugary and caffeinated drinks. While occasional treats are fine, it's best to make plain water your primary beverage. Excess soda, energy drinks, or caffeine can burden your kidneys. These drinks can reduce your body's water content and make your kidneys work harder to filter what's left over. Number 6. Hydrate before and after exercise. Physical activity increases fluid loss through sweat. To support your kidney function, drink water before, during, and after workouts. This helps your kidneys filter blood more efficiently and prevents dehydration. Staying properly hydrated is especially crucial if you're re-engaging in strenuous exercise or living in a hot climate. Number 7. Adjust for climate and activity. In hot weather or during illness, especially with fever or vomiting, your body loses fluids more quickly. During these times, it's essential to increase your water intake. The same goes for intense physical activity. Your kidneys rely on adequate water intake to function optimally. So be mindful of your activity level and adjust your fluid intake accordingly. Well, there you have it, 7 hydration tips that not only quench your thirst, but also show your kidneys some extra love. Remember, our kidneys are essential for our health, working tirelessly to keep us in balance. So let's show them some love by providing them with the hydration they need to thrive. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share for more health insights. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. And thanks for watching.